Hi guys, this is Chandrasekhar. Today we will learn how to restore a database. So just right click on this database, just click on restore database and just click here device and just click here add button and you see I have one database file in the database folder. Just click here, you see, just select this, OK, and just press OK and just click on the OK button. You see database adventure works 2022 restored successfully. Okay, and you see I have one more database here and just click on this plus button and see the tables. So you can see. So thank you guys.